Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And magluto ako ng utong. Let's go.
Lang siya ng kaldero natin.
Sa gitna yun.
Ha?
Sa gitna. Yung mabigat.
Hindi ko na mag-check. Hindi ko na maalala.
Teaspoon.
Tatlo mo parang 1.
Feeling ko kasi hindi
Concentrated.
Tatlo
Kaya dun sa
lang.
powder. 4. Ano mo? 3.5.
Tatlo lang. Baka masobra na. Nakapamait.
Check to. Basahin mo. Walang powder doon. Saudi kasi powder. Huwag masyadong madami para kasi mag-melt yan. Ilan ba dapat?
2. Ano lang. 2. So dapat.
Oo. Kaya na yun, mahal. Mayroon pa ako sayang.
Labis mo.
Huwag mo na.
Sure ka? Nagsarahan lang.
Pareho kami yan ni Rueda.
Sinus.
Hindi, rhinitis. Sinusitis hanggang hika na. Pag sa Manila, Hong Kong, Sydney, China. Patibay kasi yung kahoy na ano siya, parang next time naman. Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Wala na, blueberry is
Ayun sa kabilang parkingan.
kalas. Dami.
Puno nun sa kabila.
Kasi mga activity ng mga tao dito, holiday ganyan, matapundok. Nature talaga.
Nature tripping. Ah.
Minus.
Sakto na sila doon. Enjoy na sila na doon.
Busog yung mata ko dito.
Lagot ka talaga.
I'm just weighing your container so you only pay for your fruit. Okay? Which way? I'll take you. Anybody else have a container?
Ano?
No? Right, well I'll give you some containers.
Ayun, bibigyan mo sila.
We'll give you some containers, okay? And if you don't have a bag or something, we do have containers for sale in there for $1. Up to about here is a kilo, just to give you an idea. 1 kilo. 1 kilo. Okay, up to about here. Now that is $22. If you pick 1 kilo or more, we give you a 10% discount. Okay. You can pick as much or as little as you like. We do ask people not to eat the fruit until they pay. It's just like a supermarket. So please take as many of these as you like. When we go through the gate, there is hand sanitizer on the left. Everyone must wash their hands, please. Okay? All right.
Sila lang.
Well, depends on how helpful you are, DJ. If you help and pick a lot.
And then I'll show you how to pick, okay? I'll be with you in just a moment. Plants, so we have no damage.
No
Okay?
damage.
If you are getting into a plant to have a look and get some plants from in here, just be gentle. If you want the ones that are nice and blue all the way around, purple all the way around, very dark. Okay, if they come off so easily, just with a little tub. All right, like that.
Okay.
Leave the green ones, pink ones till next time. Just be careful going up and down the rows.
Yes.
There are some plants that are growing over. Just gentle.
Okay.
And if you're going across the row, watch your feet. There are stumps, uneven ground. Don't want anybody to fall. All right.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oli na kayo.
Maghugas daw muna ng kamay.
Hindi mo specific about
reminding everybody about not eating the fruit tomatoes.
Pasok ko sa loob. Sa loob.
Pasok pa na tayo sa loob para makain tayo.
Kaya sabi lang bawal daw. Doon tayo, parang tayo makita sa loob.
Ate mo malaki dito. Yung malaki nga dapat. Ate matamis. Ate Ruth pagkaon.
Sa cake yan, masarap yan sa cake.
Hindi, sa ano, pancake.
Pancake yan.
Picture lang, video lang. Bato eh.
Just pick.
Isang kilo ko natin. Gusto ma-jam ko?
Pwede. Okay, 1, 2. Yun. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Ang dami na namin nakain eh. Nabusog na ako dito kakain. Tikim.
Dito kami guys sa ano.
Tamis kuya.
Oy, bawal, bawal. Ate Liz, nakita kita. Bawal, bawal. Nakita ko kayo, matamis.
Dito yung blueberry.
Bawal.
Ito, blueberry
Kamay
picking.
gamitin, dapat bunganga.
Nag-live ka baga?
Ito yung mga bunga ng blueberries. Sarap. Tamis. Parang bayabas no. So hinog lang yung dapat na kinukuha dito. Yung ganyan. Maraming tao dito. Today is January 1 pala, so New Year dito. So yung mga activity nila usually dito is mag fruit picking, mag nature hopping, ganyan. Ganyan ang activity dito sa New Zealand. Ganyan siya. Dami. So dito pa, dami pa dito sa taas. Oh.
Dito, videohan mo ako.
You have a container? Oh, good. Okay, so we'll just weigh the fruit. And then you can put them in the bag, yeah?
Okay.
$1.46. Oh, that's pretty good.
Can I pay money? We will pay. Ito na.
$28.91. $28.90.
May natin.
$28.90. 29, 30, and 20 is 50.
Kasi ano din yun.
Yeah, we'll bring you over here so if we drop these, go on.
Yeah. Jam and
Pancake sa pancake yan.
Oh, sa pancake.
Yeah?
Thank you. May card sila dito.
We're about tired. Ano? Magkano? Oh! 1.4 kilo.
Kilo?
Kaya din ice cream doon, no?
Hintayin natin sila.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Mauna muna kayo kung matamis sobra.
Wala ba? Di ba, ano yan? Natural?
Cheese please. 50 cent?
7 per con.
Ano yung drinks? For drink?
Per drinks. Yogurt. Juice fruit.
Juice base. Ice cream or yogurt. Juice fruit. Raspberry, blueberry, or mixed berry.
Ano, hindi matamis.
Yogurt, may yogurt.
Yogurt ang base mo.
Mix.
Raspberry, blueberry, or mixed berry. Ice cream? Ice cream ako. Juice fruit. Mix.
Fruit daw.
Mix ako, tapos ang base niya ay
Ice cream, yogurt.
O, say it.
May plus 50 cent yung yogurt.
50 cent. Cash. May card. Hindi, marami na.
Oo, 4 lang.
Ano kang lalagyan? Mas marami siyang nakain.
Sa loob ng tiyan 10.
Marami siya.
Yun pala yun.
Ice cream good.
2 ice cream, mixed berry.
Mixed berry, sure.
Isa lang.
Hindi, bigay ko kagad dito ang isa.
Okay.
Wow. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
He has a new song for the bear.
Yeah. Exchange.
Ate, mag-iwan pa sa bulsa. Bawal yan.
Fresh fruit talaga.
Fresh food pala. Fresh talaga siya. Pipito sa'yo yan.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Parang bata. Kunin ka na nilang endorser dito. Kunin ka nilang endorser. Oo nga.
May nalaglag pa yun eh.
Ay, nagkapunsa mo!
Wala na.
Ikaw muna. Ikit mo. Or ako.
Wow.
Okay.
Tastes
Thank
good.
you.
Delicious. Wow.
Yogurt.
Yogurt mixed berry.
Ice cream.
Yogurt mixed berry.
Ice cream. Sarap ah. Ba't isa lang sa inyo?
Isa lang kami.
Okay.
Ate John, bilihan mo daw sila na yan ng ice cream.
Harap.
I should say thank you, Uncle Johnny. He's giving you inheritance.
May ano siya, may asin na konti. Ano nilagay niya?
Hindi, yung ano.
Yung ice cream
Yung mismong ano yun.
Berry na maasin?
Oo, yung hilaw. Oo, nahaluan nila para mayroong lasa. Sarap ah.
Picture ako.
Ate John, siya rin daw.
Ang background eh.
Picture, picture.
Dinidilaan ka ano.
Si ate, o, dinidilaan yun na.
Ate.
Sila dalawa ni Kuya. O, yan sila dalawa. O, yan na, yan na.
Dikit mo. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Ganda. Ganda talaga. Kayo naman, kayo naman.
Oo.
Iya.
Picture mo ka?
Ang ganda nga tong puno, oh. Ang ganda ng kanyang ano, kulay.
Masarap, diba?
Puro hangin yung tiyan ko.
Kung yung masarap ah. Tama ba? Bago.